I'm back with another video, and today we're going to do a hair tutorial on how to do this slick bun. This is how it looks. If you want to achieve this look, you can keep watching. Let's get into the video.
As you can see, I'm just staring off into space, not knowing what to do. But for this, you need a water bottle, some eco styling gel, a hard brush, and a toothbrush for your edges. As you can see, I'm starting off with old hair. I did the hairstyle yesterday too. So the first thing you're going to do is split your hair into two sections. The first section is going to be the front, and the second section is going to be the back. I want to slick the back first so you don't have a lump in the back. And you're just going to put the front part in a bun. To understand what I mean, just keep watching the video because I can't explain it for all as I mean. I'm starting to put my hair in a bun now. And you're going to take your scrunchie and then put it on the bun to hold it up. So you can just have the back out and you won't mess up. I literally forgot I had AirPods in and almost sprayed it with this spray bottle. Now you're going to grab your spray bottle and spray all around the back part so it'll be easy to comb out. In the next section of the video, you might see I'm missing my denim brush and I'm just looking for it. I found my denim brush, so you're going to brush your hair. I don't know if everybody calls it the denim brush or this hanging brush. Y'all know what I mean. But you're going to brush your hair in the back to get ready to slick it. And spray more water because water makes it easier to comb out. Get ready to take out your eco styling gel and apply it to the back part. You don't have to add a lot, but you have to have enough so it can slick down. Now you're going to take out your hard brush and brush the back of your hair. The way I split this section is so uneven. Now you would get your scrunchie and add it to the back section. Every time you finish a section, like when you pull hair from the top to the back, you're going to add that hair to the ponytail. We're almost done with the ponytail. Now you're going to take out the bun in the front. And you're going to spray it with the spray bottle and comb it out, just how you did every section. Now you're going to take out the comb and then split it into two sections so you can slick the first one down and then add the other one onto it. I admit I am so horrible at putting parts in my hair. Look at that. What is that? Now you're going to be tying your hair in a little bun in the front for the other section, so you can slick the first part first. Now you will be applying gel to this section, and you will be using your brush to brush it down into the other ponytail. Now you will be taking out the last section of the ponytail, and I'm brushing it down so I can make a bang in the front. Not a bang swoop, whatever it is. If you feel that you need to fix your part in, or you don't want a side part, you could do this hairstyle like this with any part and it will work fine. Almost there, you guys. We're almost done with the ponytail. Sorry about the video being so long. I just wanted to make the process easier for you to do a slick ponytail, but it looked like I made it harder. Now you're going to be taking the scrunchie and then tying it 3 times to make sure it's really tight. This is how the ponytail looks from the back. It's not very lumpy, but it's very wavy in the back. I don't like waves in the back, but I just have to deal with it. Now you're going to be taking your edges brush and making sure the front part bang swoop is in place. Now you're going to be doing your edges. It's very simple to do the edges. I don't be all extra with it, but I just make sure it looks presentable. It's very optional if you want to add the little swoop bangs on the side, or baby, I don't know what you call it, sideburns. That's what you call it. The sideburn things on the side. It's very optional if you want to do that. So if you don't want to, just comb it into the ponytail and it still will look nice. We're finally almost done with the ponytail. It's optional if you want to do a bun, but you're going to need 1 extra scrunchie. And the first thing you're going to do is twist your hair around. And then boom, it's a bun. This is the finished look of the slick ponytail / slick bun. If you want me to do another one, you can comment below. If you want me to do another hairstyle, you can comment that below. But this is it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see y'all later into my next video.